Please see the description box below for a pumpkin spice aromatherapy recipe to accompany this video. Pumpkin Spice Peacefulness, a guided meditation for sleep. The color of pumpkins derives from orange carotenoid pigments, including alpha and beta carotene, all of which are provitamin A compounds converted to vitamin A in the body. Pumpkin seeds are rich in tryptophan, the amino acid that contributes to post-Thanksgiving dinner sleepiness. Tryptophan is also responsible for helping the body make serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter that helps you relax and unwind. Not only do pumpkin seeds help promote better sleep, the serotonin will improve your mood. In the next few moments, we will focus on only the present moment. In this time, nothing else matters. It's just you in a pleasant, peaceful, and quiet place. You will embody the comforting and relaxing qualities that give pumpkin its calming, pleasant, natural qualities that help you relax, calm down, and drift off into a pleasant, comforting sleep. You will find pure relaxation as we start to reduce all background noise going on in our minds. Sit or lie down comfortably in a way that allows energy to naturally flow throughout your body. The neck and spine should be comfortably aligned. You can keep your eyes focused on the screen or close them to reduce distractions if you'd like. If you choose to keep your eyes open, maintain a light focus, gently keeping your gaze on the screen and resting when you need to. Take note of your breathing rate. Imagine that you are feeling your breath traveling up your spine with your in-breath and down your spine with your outgoing breath. Inhale and exhale. Begin to notice all parts of your body. With each breath, the shoulders become softer and more comfortable. The muscles in your arms become soft and heavy as they begin to relax. You also notice your hands and fingers start to relax. Your body is starting to feel comfortable. As you become sleepy and calm, allow your body to feel attention drifting. You will slowly sink into relaxation. Thereafter, allow your mind to get a refreshing sleep. You may choose to follow along with my counting for the next few minutes. Through that, you will become more relaxed as each number passes through your mind. Make sure you pause and put your attention on the number. 1. Inhale the soothing essence of warm pumpkin spice aroma. 2. Deeper and deeper, peaceful, enraptured and wrapped in a warm cocoon of the spirit and energy of pumpkin spice. 3. Allow all tension to leave your body. Relaxation fills your body and mind with the fragrance that provides a savory aroma of spiciness with a dash of sweet, sensual lusciousness. 4. Very calm, very relaxed. The delicious candied luxury of a long melting of whipped, soft pumpkin spice. 5. Deeply calm, sleep is taking over you peacefully. Sweet opulence, comfort, richness. 6. Alleviation, pleasure, relief, restfulness. Your body feels heavy and so very pleasant. 7. Contentment, warmth, well-being. You can allow your mind to drift, easily floating with no direction. 8. Quiet, coziness, gratification, deep relaxation. 9. Satisfaction, luxury. Sleep is taking over you. Your eyelids are gently closed. 10. Serenity, fulfillment, easiness, grace. You are at peace with yourself, confident, nurturing a refreshing, cool, and quiet feeling of relaxation. Your breath smoothly allowing more relaxation. Keep calm and allow yourself to drift into deep sleep. Deep, pleasant sleep.